All right, so remember how I said to get tongs, right? I mean, you could stir it in the sauce with anything you wanted to, but with long pasta is always served with tongs. And here's why, okay? You want to coat the pasta noodles in the sauce. So obviously it's not going to stick. It's all coated with a sauce. And here's the thing. As the pasta is sitting in the sauce, what's it doing is absorbing those flavors of the sauce. If you ever made chicken noodle soup before from scratch, right? And you had a little bit left over and you put it in the fridge and that's going to make a nice lunch for tomorrow. And then you pull it out the next day and you open it. Whoa, the pasta is so huge and there's no broth left. What happened? The pasta noodle, even though it was fully cooked when you made the soup, was still absorbing. And so it absorbed all that extra broth. So what that tells you, science-wise, is that pasta noodle in this sauce, what's it doing to that sauce? It's absorbing those flavors. And we always want our pasta noodle to taste like the sauce we're serving it in, right? So by stirring it together, it's absorbing those flavors, okay? Now what we want to do, now that it's coated and we know the pasta is not going to stick, right? We can take it out with the tongs. Let me show you this. Let me back you up a little bit. We can take it out with the tongs, take the pasta part out, and obviously you're going to get some ingredients with it. You're going to put it on your plate, but you're also going to grab it and twirl it to create some height to your dish, okay? Let's add a little bit more. So put it on there, grab it, and twirl it. So you create some height, some more attractiveness to it. Then you'll notice on your tongs, you have 2 spoons on either side of your tongs. Those are spoons. And why they're there is so you can now get in there and spoon up some ingredients like the sun-dried tomatoes and such and put them on the top. So they're not completely buried through the pasta. You can have them displayed at the top now that you use your tongs to extract the pasta from the pan. And then one extra tip that we're going to do, since we had the fresh lemons and we decided to zest them, I'm going to just garnish this with some nice, beautiful lemon zest. And all that heat is now releasing those essential oils from that lemon zest and this amazing eating experience. Wow, I can smell this right now. It's so good.
Delicious.
Awesome. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Look for it in the new book coming out very soon, Cooking Around the World with Chef Dez.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good night.
you. You bet. You too. Thanks for watching Mediterranean Linguini with Chef Dez Zoom classes. This is an incredible dish, and I know you're going to love it. Thanks so much. See you next time, folks.